All right, so I know a lot of you squids out there are out there riding on group rides and having trouble communicating with each other because the cardos are so expensive and you can barely even buy gear. So why are you going to buy a helmet intercom system? So today I'm going to show you a budget-friendly option for an intercom slash speaker kit for your helmet. Okay, so this is the XGP Moto intercom system. And I've had this thing for like 4 months or so now. I've been testing it. I have it on actually both of my helmets. What's really cool about this XGP setup is the price of it. What you're getting for the price. Just one will run you $89. The 2-pack will run you $168. That's still cheaper than like one Cardo setup. So I was pretty impressed with this thing. Like, I was using the siphon sound one for a little while, and not to compare, it's just a different design, and I did not like the design of the siphon sound, and the wire on it kept breaking. I went through 2 of them. Both of the speaker wires on it broke, so I don't recommend the siphon sound one, but this one I do recommend because I have been using it for quite some time now, and full disclosure, they did send this out to me, but I do not get any kickback from this at all. This is just strictly just trying to help you guys and get some budget-friendly options out there for your helmet speaker system. Now, I use the Corsair X, right? This is my main vlogging helmet. As you can see, I have my GoPro Hero 10 on all of the adapter sets for it. Like, that's kind of how I run it. I have my mic adapter on this side with the wire, and then on this side I have my XGP. And then on this helmet, it'll get the same exact thing, although I'm waiting for my new chin mount to come in for this is my backup helmet. Now, I've been using this helmet a lot more lately because I really need a new helmet, like desperately bad. Like, this one's missing pieces. It's just yeah, I need a new helmet so for this year, but haven't been able to get one yet. They're just so expensive helmets, and these are both still okay, but I've been shopping around for one. But this one, man, it's just falling apart all over the place. And I love this helmet, but it is time to retire the old Tatsuki Suzuki helmet and pick up something different. But so what's really cool about this is, and I know it's going to be a question that somebody asked, can you connect it to people who have the Cardo system? And the answer is yes. It does have crossplay, so not a big deal at all. It might take you a minute to figure it out. Like, it took me a second to figure out how to connect it to my friend who had a Cardo, but it did work, and we were able to speak with each other. Water resistant, like it's like most watches, right? They get, like, obviously if you dunk it in water, it's going to destroy it. A little bit of rain isn't going to hurt it. Okay, that's the point I'm trying to make here. I'll leave some of the key things here up on the screen. I'll screenshot it. You can get this on Amazon right now. I'll leave a link below. One of the things that I have noticed about this that is really good is the battery life. Like, I don't think I've even charged it maybe once or twice in a couple of months now. A couple of like 6-7 hour rides. Um, it says it has a 10 to 15 hour battery life. I'm sorry, 15 to 18 hour battery life. I have not seen it die at all, so I think that's fine. I don't ever ride my motorcycle more than 4 hours or 5 hours anyway, especially like a straight through ride. So a good day trip is going to be fine, guys. Like, you're going to be just good with this. Really nice. Like, this kit, and on that helmet I don't have it, but on this kit there's a I have, so basically I don't think you guys are going to be able to see in here, but essentially there's going to be 2 mics, right? So in this wire, I don't want to take it all out of here honestly, but like, guys, let me know in the comments if you want to see an install video of this. But this wire goes in here, right, into one speaker, which is here. There's a speaker right here on this side, and then there's a speaker on this side. Then this wire has a split in it. There's a split, and it goes to the mic. So I have the mic for this on this side right here, and I have the mic for my GoPro running right here with all the wires stuffed in here, and the mic for the GoPro is on this side. So if somebody calls me on my phone, I can answer it, hello, and it is literally crystal clear. Now, my motorcycle is very loud, and I can like hear if I turn it all the way up, and like it's fine. Like, my motorcycle is really loud, so it's difficult. But like on a on a bike that's not so loud, this is just perfect kit. Now, music playing through the speakers, it is, you connect it Bluetooth to your phone. I always listen to music when I'm riding, even when I'm vlogging. Like, you can sometimes you can hear what I'm listening to in some of my videos, but I tend to turn it down though, if I'm really like trying to make a point and say some stuff because of YouTube's monetization and, copyright issues on YouTube. The one thing I'll say about the sound, and I just haven't been able to find any helmet speaker that's been like boom sound in your ears. Like, even the siphon sound did not sound that great. The bass on it, not so good. Like, honestly, the best sound that I've ever had in my helmet was from my AirPods, but like the AirPods will hurt so bad. Now, this is an Arai Corsair X. This is not a helmet that is really made to have all of this crap on it, right? This is a straight race helmet. It's designed for being on the track and racing, although it is probably one of the safest helmets you can buy on the market. It's $1,000 helmet, and I don't really know any better helmet than this other than like the Alpine Stars one. Um, don't even go with the AGVs. Like, I like them, they're okay, but AGV, AVG, AGV, I don't know. The Fiesta, they're sweet. Everybody has them, I guess, but like, to me, they show too much of your chin. It feels like the chin's exposed too much, and I don't like that at all. I do like the new Shoei the Shoei 15 X15. That's the one I'll probably go with next, but I haven't gotten it yet. In any case, this helmet is not designed to have all this crap on it, so the speakers inside do hurt my ear. Like, this side run, it kind of digs into my ear a little bit. No fault of this, it's just the way the helmet is. It's not made to have speakers in it. So, yeah, that works really well. The buttons you can feel when you have motorcycle gloves on. You can feel these really well. One gripe is the way that this is designed that I wish they would change. So you have to use the charger that comes with it. Do not lose it. Your regular standard chargers, like this one, for instance, if you have one like this, it will not fit into this one. Well, actually, this one might. Yeah, see, it won't fit in because of the way this plastic thing is. They really need to change that. So you have to use the charger that comes with it because this part will be longer. And like, it has to be long like that. If you guys can kind of see what I'm talking about, you won't be able to plug it in. So that runs the mic and the speakers, okay? That's how that works. Like I said, the speaker on this side, my GoPro speaker on this side, and that's how you guys are able to hear me talking when I'm running my moto vlogs. You won't be able to hear, like, I know some people run the action cams. I guess it's okay. I might try that to see if it picks up some better sound, but I just use the mic that's inside the helmet on a windscreen. It sounds pretty good. The dead cat, though, will itch your face and tickle your face, so use that with that disclosure there. But other than that, you just got to take out your interior padding on your helmet, run the wiring all in there, and you got yourself a really good budget-friendly option that will work with other helmets and other riders that are wearing other stuff. And like I said, I got both of my helmets strapped up with it. But for the price, I think you can't really beat it. And the way to take it off, guys, by the way, it just like that, and then you have this thing on there if you don't want to run with that on there. So if you're doing a track day, they're probably not going to let you have this on your helmet, so you can just take that off and then you can put it back on. Now, overall score for this thing, honest to God, guys, I'd probably give this, because I haven't had any issues with it in months. It plays my music, I can hear phone calls, it can intercom with other riders that have this and other systems. I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10. And the only reason why it's getting any lower than that is because the speakers aren't great. They just don't sound that good with playing music. And it's the main thing I'm using this for is music. I don't like talk to people the whole time while I'm riding. It's, you use the intercom system if you're riding. But like, honestly, like, not a lot of us even do that anyway. We all have these things and no one really does it. I honestly am waiting for one of these companies just to make a really small option that is literally just for music. Please, somebody make something that is just for music. Or if you're a company out there that makes something just for music, holler at me so I can put it in my damn helmet. because I am dying for somebody to just make some real booming ass helmet speakers that just sound good and aren't cheap, right? Because the speakers are cheap. They're cheapy. It's fine. It's $89. You want to play some music, you know, and listen and talk, be able to talk to people and hear phone calls. This is the way to go. It's literally under $100 for one. And if you want a 2-pack, you want both your helmets done, you get a 4-pack. Yeah, maybe you have 4 helmets. You're spending under. You're still spending less than what one Cardo is. So really, really good budget option. And I really love my little moto vlogging setup. And if you guys want to see an updated video on this, just let me know, and I'll do an updated video when I do this helmet or my new one when I decide to actually get one. Just so damn much money. It's helmets are so much money, golly. Anyway, guys, that's what I got for you. This is a really good budget option, and go check it out if you want. I'll leave the link below, and definitely check out any more of my videos. I'll leave some on the screen here for you. And like, share, subscribe. Definitely please subscribe to the channel for more content, and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I put something new out. Don't forget to shop at Raven Moto if you need some motorcycle gear at a much cheaper price than some of the higher than some of the other brands, and it's also high quality gear. And you can use my discount code HARDCITY, all caps. That'll get you 10% off. I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you all. Peace.